back to my channel. So today what we're doing is we're opening a brand new package from Shein.com. Shein.com is one of my favorite websites. I literally went around so many other websites, American, not American, UK websites, stuff like that, but I really just like Shein, and I think that I can find everything in there. My style is in there and everything like that. So today I got a whole new thing. I got it, I think, about a week ago, and I still haven't opened it because I wanted to open it on camera. So I have my little knife, and also please appreciate the whole outfit here because I'm filming this video standing, so I needed to have actual pants on. Right before getting started, please subscribe to my channel. It is the button right there under the video if you are on your phone, or if you are on your computer, the button is right here in this little corner. You can click subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, and if you think my eyebrows have changed, they definitely did. I did some microblading yesterday and it turned out to be great, and everything is on my highlights, so you can check that out. Anyway, so we're gonna open this. Also, if this is the first Shein unboxing that you're doing with me, just letting you know that I have another video, the same thing that I'm doing right now, last year, and I will leave it down below in case you want to watch it. And they have crazy sales right now, so you can go and check that out. So the first thing that I see is this bag. Oh, yeah. It's small. Also, okay, so I got this tote bag right here, and the reason I got it is because you guys know right now that I go to design school, and we have this really huge sketchbook, and it's really annoying to carry it all day around, and I thought I was gonna get like a huge tote bag, but this is very small. Let me show you the... So this is the sketchbook that I wanted this bag for, but obviously it is too small and too big for it. It's not gonna get in, right? Okay, I'm not even gonna try. It's obviously small. But anyway, it's cute. It doesn't look cheap at all. Maybe I can use it if I ever go to a coffee shop or work and get my computer with me. But yeah, it's black. I will also leave the prices right here on the screen so you guys know, and the link to every single thing that I got will be in the down bar in case you want to check it out. And really the secret to shopping on Shein.com is to look at reviews, because people get them and then you can see if it's true to size, if it's really good quality, because there are things that are really bad quality and things that are really good. So just make sure you check all of that. Second thing I'm seeing is this is a dress, like a little daytime dress, I would say. Has this little strap. This is the dress. This is this really beautiful red dress in this flowy fabric. It also has a strap so you can strap it. I really loved it. I think it's a beautiful daytime dress. You can also dress it down but also dress it up. And I feel like I don't have enough dresses, and I'm kind of getting into dresses. So we'll see. We will see. It's good quality also. This is another dress. This is a snake print dress with a belt around the waist. Oh, this is adorable. This is so cute. Yeah, it's very good quality. It's not see-through at all. Next thing is a skirt. I got a skirt. Sorry. So I got this fake leather skirt. Oh damn, it's short. It is very, very short. Is it very short? I don't know. We will see. I will be trying it on also on camera. What is this? Shouldn't be here. The quality looks pretty good. It's not bad at all. There's this little thread here that I'm gonna cut, but it looks very cute. It has this little scallop detailing and also a little zip right here on the side. Next thing I got, oh my god. I got this hat, but this is how it's delivered. Oh my god, it's completely fucked. It's completely fucked. Oh my god. First of all, it's not the best quality at all. Oh, it's completely fucked. Okay, so this is, let me see what it looks like. See how fucked it is? It's, no. I don't like it. This is what it looks like. It's in this color. You can see how really cheap the material is right here. The reason I got this one is because I only have one hat that is black and I really love wearing hats. So I was like, maybe I should get a couple in different colors. I think it just needs some time to adjust, but I definitely will tell you right now, it is very cheap material, and yeah, it's like cardboard material, but I think I like it. I can work it out. I can make it look good. It's fine. I got the same one in this tan color. Look how it's delivered. This is not okay. It's a fucking hat. What the fuck? Anyway, so I think this too is the same exact material. Maybe it's going to fix itself, maybe not, but I really, really like it. I like the color. I will also try to make it look good because, you know, if these marks are not here in a couple days, then maybe it will look really good and not as cheap as it is when you touch it. And then I also got, oh my god, I'm excited about this one. Another dress. A red dress. So, not only is it a dress, but is it in my favorite color. And also, it has, oh, that's adorable. That's so adorable. I don't know if you can see, but it has these straps right here. It has ruffles on the side. It has this, these ruffles on here, on the skirt part. It's so adorable. I've seen reviews about this dress. It looks really cute when it fits right, and apparently it is true to size. I can already feel that it's a little bit stretchy, so I think it's going to fit me very well. Also, by the way, my size is medium in dresses and all that when something is true to size. Other than that, if I see reviews say that it's oversized or something like that, I go a size down. Other than that, I will go a size up and get a large so it can fit me. Then I got a little accessory that is a black bag. I have been buying bags left and right my whole life. But I actually never bought, I don't think I've ever bought a black bag. Or I've got it and then, oh, the dust bag. And then didn't care about it. So now when I go out for night outs or anything like that, I feel like I don't have like a regular classic bag. So I got this black one. This is what it looks like. It has this little chain here. It has this little strap. And the good thing about Shein is that you can totally find things that are not that expensive, and also they don't look cheap at all. And for everyday life, honestly, you're not gonna buy something really expensive unless you want to treat yourself, which I'm totally not against that. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it's really cute, and we'll see how it holds up. And then, oh wow, I got 3 pairs of shoes. Damn. Okay, first one are these little fucking hot booties. They look big. They look a little too big. I don't know. My size is 38 and a half, which is 8 and a half in American, and in European it is 38. I'm going to be wearing these and see if it holds up, if they fit me. I think they're really, really hot, honestly. This snake print thing is getting to me right now, and yeah. Next pair is these really cute over the knee boots. I'm not sure how they're gonna fit me. I'm not sure how they're gonna fit me. Honestly, I'm a really big fan of pointy toes, but this one is a little bit round, not too round, so it's okay. I like this color because I already have over the knee boots that are black, and I feel like I need to change it up. So I got these. I'm gonna put them back in here. And then, last but not least, I really don't remember what's in this box or what I got, but what is it? Oh, oh my god, they're huge. So I got these booties because I've been looking for a style like this every single freaking store in the mall, and I always find them with huge platforms. So I found this, and I'm not sure I'm gonna like them. I'm not sure they're gonna fit me the right way because they're a little bit bulky, and that's my problem with these with this trend, is that every single booty is insanely bulky, and I really don't like bulky shoes. I like little bulky shoes. So yeah, so these are like fake leather, obviously, little boots, combat boots for everyday outfits. And I feel like I've been wearing a lot of sneakers, and I just realized all of my booties are black. Like, I can look at my shoe rack and everything is black, and all of my sneakers are white. So maybe I need some color in my life. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and everything that I bought. I will leave everything in the down bar, the link to it. Also, there are huge sales right now on the website, so make sure you check that out. Just be careful with the reviews. Always read them. Always check out videos and see what people got and what people didn't, which is the reason I'm making this video, in case someone needs to know the quality of things. Thankfully, every time I buy from Shein.com, I only get really good quality stuff because I make sure that I know what I get and what I'm buying. Just an FYI, all of this was $168 with the discount, but without the discount, I think it was $235, something like that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Everything will be in the down bar. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time.